All right, so I'm gonna show you some quick hair tips and hair tricks on how to get more volume in your hair. You either want a lot of volume in your hair, or if you have very thick or somewhat poofy hair, you want to lay flat. But I would find the majority of people want to have more volume and fuller hair and also get it to last. And that's going to require some product and some heat, as well as a bit of technique. So what I'm going to suggest is, I know some of you may be anti-product and things like that, but in order to really get something to stay in place, it's like trying to glue something without glue. You need to use some sort of adhesive or something that's going to support the hairstyle, give it that shape, give it that texture that's going to really help get that volume in your hair, especially if you have very, very fine and not a lot of hair. It's just going to constantly lay flat and no volume, and you have to manipulate the hair by using product and techniques. Tidal Wave, I'm telling you right now, it's my #1 selling product. I have, reformulated this a little, probably, I don't know, 4 months ago now or so, 5 months ago. And I've tested this myself as a stylist, side by side compared to the original. I want to make improvements. I want to actually get more volume in this. And sometimes people will complain or they'll say, oh, the product's not working. If I can get this to work as a professional and I 100% approved this, then you can do it, okay? And you can't just spray this on the hair and expect to have, it could be your haircut. Usually what I find is that it's user error, not the right haircut, and that's really what it comes down to, okay? You're not the right hair texture, you're just not using it right. So what you need to do is really learn and watch my videos on how to apply this, how to use it. Volume. Volume comes from the root, right? The hair grows out from the scalp, and that's where the volume is going to stay. That's the foundational. That's the foundation of a house is at the root area of the scalp and through here. Volume up here is only going to go so far, and it may collapse because without a good foundation, it's just going to fall flat. You need to get the volume in the root area. So how do you do that? When your hair is damp or wet, take Tidal Wave. I suggest I always shake it up a little bit, and what you want to do is start to lift and spray section by section like this as the hair, we work up this way, same thing on this side. Lift the hair, let it fall in place, spray at the root, even in the front, especially in the front, and you let it drop, and there we go. And then you can work it in just like this, and now the volume preparation is there. Next, what do you need? A blow dryer. And if your hair is short, your hands, or even if you have medium length hair. But I'm gonna blow dry this real quick, and I'm going to show you what kind of volume I'll get. I put the speed on low. What you need to do, it's all about technique. What you need to do is lock the fingers in place and lift. That is how you get volume. All right, watch. I'm locking it in, hitting it with the heat and releasing. Locking it in, blow drying it and releasing. You see what I'm doing? Locking it in and then releasing, and I'm working my way upwards. And what I'm constantly doing is pulling on the scalp. I'm pulling on the scalp to get this volume and this lift. And that literally is all I'm doing. All right, even in the front here, let's get this angle so you can see. Especially if you want this TikToker hairstyle. Lift and hold it in place. And this is not going to damage the hair because simply I'm just doing it as a technique. I'm not singeing the hair. I'm doing it just enough to get some lift. But you see, I'm not just going like this. I'm pulling the hair upwards to stretch the hair out, and the heat is what's going to cause that volume and for it to really stay. All right? And I'm doing this throughout the entire head. This is just an example of how to get volume in the hair. And granted, yes, it may collapse over time, right? I'm not using anything else. This is just kind of a foundational technique of how to get lift and volume in the hair. And also, when you're using the blow dryer, which I do sell on my website, you have to use the nozzle because the nozzle is going to direct the hair in the area that you want. It's targeting the air. You cannot get this by not using a nozzle on the blow dryer. So look, what do we have here? We've got volume. Let's turn this way. As I lift, you see what happens? There's all this lift in the hair. I've set it in place. Then you can go in and use locked hairspray or something, and then even in the front here, we've got all this volume right in through here. And there it is. Even though this style is designed to go kind of forward this way, but you know, it's gonna help give us a little bit of texture and lift right throughout the front here. All from just blow drying it, okay? All from just blow drying it, using the right product, using a blow dryer, and the technique. So if you're in a bind, you can even do this on dry hair. You can spray Tidal Wave on dry hair, do the same technique. You can use a round brush if you have longer hair, the round brushes that I sell, you know, and it's really gonna help you, but it really comes down to the right product, Tidal Wave, the brush, the technique, using your hands, getting in there, getting that lift. I'm telling you as a professional, that's what I do. So use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.